Hello, and welcome back to the Flavour-O-Rama channel. Thank you so much for joining us to view another delicious recipe. Today, we are having a refreshing and satisfying spring salad with the Zesty Vinaigrette. Perfect for the spring and summer months, or honestly any time of the year. You can enjoy this simply as it is, or with any protein of choice. If that sounds yummy to you, stay tuned for more. To those who are returning viewers, welcome back. And a huge welcome to those who are joining the Flavour-O-Rama fam for the first time. If you are enjoying the content so far, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Only satisfied taste buds await you. Now we're going to start off with our greens. For this salad, a variety of greens can be used. You want to make sure that you have a hearty, light foundation to build on while putting the salad together, and greens that go with a variety of add-ins as well. For today's recipe, we're going to be using a spring mix and arugula. We're going to start washing our greens. Even with packaged veggies, it's always important to wash them just to make sure you're rid of any extra dirt or debris. Now that all of our greens are washed, we can combine them in our large salad bowl. This is a perfect amount for a summer gathering or any holiday. Next, we're going to start preparing the remainder of the veggies for this salad. Let's start by shredding our carrots, slicing our cherry tomatoes, and dicing our onion and cucumber. We'll chop up the avocado in the end to add as a topping for the salad. Now, with chopping veggies, you can do any way that's most convenient for you. You can either chop them manually or use a vegetable chopper. If you decide to add carrots to the salad, they can be chopped to your liking. For today, we're just going to create long shreds. For convenience, we will dice our onions with the help of a vegetable chopper. The use of a vegetable chopper is also great for weekly meal prep and can be used for multiple types of produce. For the cucumbers, we're going to both manually cut them and use the vegetable chopper as well, just to show that there's a variety of ways to prep this. Now let's start making our zesty vinaigrette. The great thing about this method is that we are just going to add all the ingredients into a jar and shake it up. Of course, you can mix all the ingredients in a bowl if that is available to you. Once we make our dressing, we'll place it in the refrigerator. Remember that you can find all of the ingredients in the recipe linked in this video. For this particular salad, we're going to begin to grate our cheeses. This salad is great without cheese if you're limiting dairy in your diet. However, this is another option as well to prepare it. For this salad, we're going to use Asiago and Pecorino Romano cheese. Another tasty option for this salad is adding a protein. Now, that can be either plant-based, such as chickpeas or beans, or animal-based. For now, we will use seasoned boneless chicken and shrimp. Both add-ins were seasoned with our green seasoning paste. If you would like to see how the shrimp and chicken were prepared, please click on the bonus link below for more. Now, boneless chicken thighs are great to use for this recipe because they stay nice and juicy, and they take only a few minutes to cook completely. So we're just going to start cooking these in our cast iron skillet and flipping it periodically. Each side should be cooked over medium heat for about 4 minutes and fully cook for additional 8 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to begin to cook our seasoned shrimp as well. Make sure to cook the shrimp thoroughly over medium heat until the shrimp is pink and plump and not overcooked and chewy. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Now we're here at the best part, and we can assemble our salad. At this point, the greens have been mixed together with the remaining veggies that we sliced and chopped earlier, and also with our cheeses. So we're going to go ahead and add our toppings such as avocado and our proteins of choice. So these are some yummy homemade croutons that were made earlier. If you want more information about how these are made, click on the bonus link below. To top this salad all off, we're going to add our yummy vinaigrette that we just made. And this vinaigrette can last in the fridge for about 3 weeks. And that is it, everyone. This salad can be enjoyed all by itself or as a side to a meal. And this is a great way to do a weekly meal prep and have a fresh, tasty option that can be enjoyed for lunch any time of the day, any time of the year. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember, have a happy plate life, and we will see you next time.